y'all, and welcome back to another video. I have the pleasure of working with TYMO once again, you guys, and this will be the third time, you guys. I really appreciate them for hitting me up. I really enjoy their tools. So this time they gave me a hot brush, but it's to the next level, y'all. As you can see, it says Ionic Plus, and y'all, I really like the packaging that they brought it in. It made it simple just to pull it out, and it gives you directions, and I really appreciate that, especially for, you know, the ones that kind of new to hot brushes. Cause yeah, my client, she even asked, like, is there something special you have to do? I said no, like, once you pull it out, it's real simple, you know. And y'all will see in a second that is that simple to turn it on. It'll set itself and, you know, get you going. So as I was taking this out, I noticed that it has more bristles in it, and I liked it. And I said, yeah, that'll be good for, like, especially thicker type textured hair, type 4. It'll help to detangle as you straighten it, so you won't have to do so many passes. I also received the heat protectant mist, and I like how light it is, and you're able to use as much as you want on there because it's not going to get too heavy. So I really liked it. Oh, y'all, and as I was finna start blow drying, my boopy, my baby 7, gave me a call. As you can see him in the background, a little FaceTime. So he had called his mommy. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. So it's pretty simple, you guys. You're gonna press the power button and press hold, and then it will come on, show you your temperature. You're gonna choose your temperature. I suggest 450. That's the highest temp. It'll guarantee a good straightener, and it's gonna quickly go up to the temp that you need. It takes no time, y'all, to get it hot, and then you'll be ready to use your straightener brush. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you guys to see that it can get your hair straight and give you a nice sleek look and a nice shine as well. So if you're interested in purchasing this straightener brush, I will have it in the description box below for you to check it out. I do, if you are at home and you rather straighten your own hair, and also if you're scared to do heat damage, if you don't want to have heat damage, I feel like this is a good go-to. Hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. Oh, before I go, y'all, check out this first pass that I just am doing now. Yeah, y'all, I was shook. I was like, yeah, that thing right. Y'all had to kind of reset the brush on her ends because it was time for her to get a trim. So I just wanted to make sure the brush was going through her ends. And also, as you can see, she has color treated ends. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny
just knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something, give me something. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from, yeah, give me something.
Y'all, what's so dope about this brush is I can catch her roots without being nervous that it's gonna burn her. You literally can put this brush on your scalp and they don't feel it. So that's a major plus about this hot brush or straightener brush.
Blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, for my hurt you are the cure. Like a spring you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you.